Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another hideout video which is for a hamster. So if you have a hamster, go and check out my channel and I'll give you some advice on how to look after your hamster if you're new. So, if you remember, the last video I made was a pouch for my hamster, which is like a little cozy thing if you didn't know what it is. So today I'm making a little hideout. So here is what you'll need. So you'll need a bowl, water, and tissue. Oh, sorry. So what you'll need to do first is wet the mould. Now take the toilet paper and start doing layers and just keep repeating this until it's fully covered. Okay, so now that I have covered it in tissue paper, toilet paper, whatever you want to do. There's a bit that doesn't work, so you just want to soak it all around anyway. So you just make sure you want to get it really wet, and then just make sure you get all at the bottom, because that's where most people forget, and then it doesn't work for them because it just rips at the bottom and then the whole thing starts to rip. So then just use your hands and pat it down. Just use your hands and pat it down. One thing, when you do it, don't pat it down and hold it and then lift it up, because otherwise you do that and all the stuff will come out. So just then I didn't hardly touch it or anything like that. So this bowl's actually got really heavy. Well, not heavy. It's not heavy, but it's got heavier than it was before, if you understand me. So I just need to do this bit here. Okay, so this is how I do it. I just place it on. I hold it down, and then I get the thingy and I spray it. And then hold it down again. I keep doing that, sorry guys. Let's just check around the edges if there's any other place I need to do. Nope. Okay, so just spray it again, because I've actually put some more on just. So make sure you soak it. And I mean soak it. Might get heavy, that's what you need it to do. So you just keep on repeating it until you have finished. Now wait 24 hours and it should be done. So when you've done it, because I'm not going to leave the video on until tomorrow. So when you've done it and it's all dry, it might need longer than 24 hours. But when you've done it, it's all dry. Cut a little oval shape or a circle, or square, whatever you want. You can even make a little door. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.